Using the Scotiabank mobile banking app offers convenience and accessibility to manage your finances on the go. Here's a guide on how to use the Scotiabank app. Download and installation. Download the Scotiabank mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in. Open the app and log in using your Scotiabank online banking username and password. If you're new to mobile banking, you may need to enroll first. Dashboard. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard displaying balances, recent transactions, and other account details. Navigation. Explore the menu options to access various features like account management, transfers, bill payments, and more. These options are typically accessible from a navigation menu located at the bottom or side of the screen. Transfers. Easily transfer funds between your Scotiabank accounts to other Scotiabank customers or to external accounts. Bill payments. Pay bills, set up recurring payments, and manage your pay seamlessly through the app. Mobile deposits. Deposit checks remotely using the app's mobile deposit feature. Simply take a photo of the front and back of the check and follow the prompts. Security. Scotiabank prioritizes security, so ensure you log out after each session and set up additional security features like biometric authentication.